Gabby. It's getting faster. Gabby. Oh my God. Can you stop? I'm gonna fall. You are not going to fall. Calm down. Come on, get your hands up. Put your hands up. No! You want to hold my hand? Gabby, get back up with your legs. Oh my God. Gabby. Gabby, you're digging into the turn of my elbow. Slide over to your side. Jesus. Except all of my foot now. Thank you. Just here for no reason. Now it's gonna go backwards. Are you okay?
Backwards.
Yeah, it's going backwards now. That's part of the fun.
Hold my hand, hold my hand.
See, look, this ain't as bad, is it? You need to chill out, Gabby. You are just gonna fall. From this camera is you screaming for no reason.
I just screamed the entire time. Okay, we need to get on here again so we can get a better view.
No, I'm getting on here by myself. At least I won't scream. There were girls older than you that were unfazed by
You're
this.
up by it.
You asked for this.
No, I didn't.
Oh yeah, you didn't. No.
What are you talking about?
How was it?
It was fun. I screamed a lot.
Really?
I'm pretty sure everyone heard it.